Best Automotive Test Lights in 2023. There are many products available to choose the best automotive test lights in 2023, each with different characteristics. I conducted in-depth research, read a ton of reviews, and prepared a list of the best automotive test lights in 2023 from respected manufacturers to assist you in making an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. KZYEE KM10 Best Automotive Test Light. If you are currently looking forward to a robust and great value for money best automotive test light option, KZYEE KM10 is an attractive option you can try on. Being designed to work effortlessly on a wide range of vehicles, it is a wonderful test light option that effectively reduces the diagnosis time of all the electrical systems ranging between 12 to 24 volts vehicles. It is a mind-blowing instrument in the list that is also regarded as the most contemporary circuit analyzer. The best automotive test light has a wide range of functionality that can help you troubleshoot electrical system problems. KZYEE can accurately analyze about 12 to 24 volts systems effortlessly. The best automotive test light comes with a 20 feet extension cord that makes it easier to carry it anywhere in your vehicle. The tool is designed to provide services such as diagnosing circuit faults, activating components on and off the vehicles, and more successfully. Number 2. JASTIND Backlit Best Circuit Testers. Coming up with a vast range of testing options, it is one of the most acceptable test light options on the list that aims to provide the highest performance without any issues. The test light comes up with a 3 to 48 V low DC voltage and can efficiently check various vehicles' electrical circuits. A sharp stainless steel probe helps pin the wires effortlessly and can reach hard to reach or tight areas. A layer of insulation and protective rubber tip is also provided to make the product electric shock-proof. It is a must-to-have tools for business and household purposes that will make it easier for you to identify the different defects effectively. It is a highly flexible automotive test light option with 140 inches long enough spring wire and durable cable wires. The tool is designed to be heat insulated and oil resistant. The display provides clear and visible digital readouts during the day and night. Number 3. Premium LED Bulb Automotive Circuit Tester. Presented by Winamp, is a professional best automotive test light in the list that is quite famous for its high-end performance and vast range of functionality. The test light can be effortlessly used on a wide range of applications. It is a professional best automotive test light that can help you test different circuits like turn signal circuits, tail lights, faulty sockets, fuse connections, and more. The test light features a quality LED bulb that provides high visibility and strict testing without any issues. It is a quality constructed automotive test light option in the list, designed with sharp stainless steel that seems to be quite efficient in piercing different wires effectively. The tool comes up with an insulation protective rubber tip for keeping it safe from electric shock. Number 4. OTC 3633 Best Circuit Tester for Cars. OTC 3633 Mini Coil Cord Circuit Tester is a great automotive test light option for those looking forward to a lightweight and portable circuit tester. It is a mini coil circuit option designed to provide absolute standards in electrical system testing. If we talk about the construction, the circuit tester is composed of needlepoint stainless steel that offers users easy back probing piercing of wires effortlessly. The tool can be easily used in tight areas. This mini coil cord circuit test features a threaded probe with a screw-on alligator clip to increase its versatility. It is a simple and easy-to-use best automotive test light option that allows users to test different electric circuits to find out issues like grounds, locating shorts and open circuits, and much more. The best automotive test light features a 12-foot-long red cord that can efficiently go through one side of the vehicle without any issues. Number 5. Katzco Voltage Best Test Light for Automotive. Katzco is another excellent voltage continuity and best automotive test light option in the list that makes it easier to check the electricity and voltage in different electrical circuits. This tool can do great in all places, whether about short circuits or testing light socket connections. The test light has a light bulb on the handle for convenient usage. A self-powered test light can help determine whether your car circuit is functional. The tester ensures users have current high-end testing for different purposes. It can effectively check the taillights of your cars, connections, fuses, wires, headlights, and much more. The cord is about 54 inches long, enough to work on a vehicle from any direction. The test light can effectively find voltage regulation issues in broken wires, switches, fuses, etc. Thanks you.